Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be showing you things like home cooking. Very difficult, I know, but let's have a go. First thing I want to show you is something simple, that's something that's been passed down, handed down, whatever. Something I like to make, I enjoy it very much. Very basically, it's just eggs in tomato sauce, cooked lovely, and you'll taste it once you've done it. It is fantastic. Let's have a go. Alright, first up, let's get the frying pan nice and hot. It'll work eventually. Okay, what we've got basically is we've got basil, a little bit of basil. Alright, fresh basil's always better. We've got 4 eggs and tomato. Diced tomato, that's plenty. Italian tomato, and that's all we need. So we'll start, we're going to make it a little bit extra light, a bit extra noise, hopefully it won't be too bad. And we'll put a bit of olive oil down. A bit of olive oil, then we'll open our tin of tomato. So this is very quick, doesn't take long to make at all. Put in your tomato, and then what we want to do is add another half a tin of water. Just mix it all up, half a tin, and that's all we need. Put that in there, and that's ready. Now it's that quick, we're going to set our toaster up. Our toast is ready to go, and we're going to make our toast because it's nice with the toast. Beautiful. Okay, throw in our basil. Plenty of basil, you can put as much as you like, you can put whatever ingredients you want to put. It's really up to you. You can add garlic, you can add peppermint, you can add whatever you want. A bit of salt and pepper. Once again, with the salt and pepper, however you want to add it, you add it yourself. It's all up to you. It's a very simple, very basic recipe, and it's very quick. It doesn't take long at all. Mix it up a little bit. So we've got to give that time to cook. So let's just let it settle a little bit. We've got it on high at the moment. That's why once these tomatoes go a little bit soft, it'll be okay. We'll put the lid on. And we'll let that simmer for a few minutes. So, once again, this is very, very simple, very easy. Once we've got that soft enough, then we will throw the eggs in and just let it simmer till the eggs cook. And bingo, we're ready to go. Hey, welcome back. We've been letting that simmer now for about 3-4 minutes, and it's just about ready. Your tomatoes are going nice and soft. So when they're nice and soft, give it a little bit more of a mix up, and this is ready for our eggs. See, it's thickened up a little bit. It's lovely. Now, let's throw a couple of eggs in. All we need to do is break them, place them in gently, and we're away. And that's how hard this is. Very, very simple, very, very nice. Oh, that one is a little difficult coming out, that one. Okay, now we're just going to let that simmer. We'll turn the heat down, and that'll take probably a couple of minutes. You'll see once the eggs, the white goes, the clear yolk goes nice and white, then you'll see your eggs ready. That's if you want a soft egg. Now if you want a hard egg, naturally, just cook it a little bit longer. It's very easy. So you'll work it out yourself, how you want your egg, the time of cooking, You just let that sit now for a little bit and just steady, keep an eye on it. I like to have a glass lid right next to watch it, or just give a tip up and you'll see it slowly, they're starting to cook. So recipes like this are easy, and that's what you want. You want something that's easy cooking. You don't want to spend all day preparing stuff. I like this. I can come home at night. It's very simple. Just say a bit of basil, tin of tomato, throw in a couple of eggs, salt and pepper, or if you want to add a little bit of garlic or whatever you want to add to it, any flavouring you like, it's up to you, whatever you add. But that's just a simple, basic recipe, right? Easy and quick to use. Now the eggs are starting, we'll flick a little bit of tomato sauce over the top of them, just a little bit extra. But when you're doing this, you need to have a lid. If you don't have a lid, you won't get the oven effect. That's what we're basically doing. We're basically cooking it in a little oven. So without the lid, this is not going to work. Your bottom will go hard, your top will still do well. Now we're just about done. We're just about all white. Right. Now at that stage, I can turn the heat off. There's enough heat there now for those eggs to cook themselves. With that sauce everything, that's enough. Otherwise you leave it too much longer, it's going to end up, you have hard eggs. If you want hard eggs, that's the way to go. Otherwise, it's your choice. Okay, let's take these out. I like them a little bit soft. Okay, here we go. They're all ready to go. I'm going to plate them up. And that's it. Very, very simple. And all this extra sauce. Oh, delicious. Put that on top of the egg. Should be using a spoon for this, but it's all good. Like I say, we want it quick. The less we use our lid so we don't make any mess anywhere. And that's it, all done, all over. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.